Welcome to SystemFlow, a designer-first framework for prototyping, creating, and launching websites with Webflow. My name is Greg, and together with Matt, we work for our clients designing websites in Figma and Webflow. SystemFlow is a framework we developed to support our day-to-day work, and let me show you what it's all about. First, there's an extensive components library that you can use to quickly build up the layout. You can start with custom design and then choose the component that fits you. We've made it one click to go from the docs to Webflow. Or you can use our Figma library to build a layout and simply copy group names that are mapped to Webflow comps. Second, you can easily set up fonts for the entire project, either in the design or in our step-by-step starter page with design preview. This works for colors too. Oh, and if you're feeling brave, in the detailed page with all the design tokens available to tweak. That's design systems porn. Third, we have ready-made CSS classes to help you style the website while staying consistent. Actually, we have a lot of them, so that you can easily apply colors, spacing, roundness, and instant Mariah Carey effect. No, in fact, that one we don't have yet. But you can easily replace icons using Embedded Material Design Library. It's as easy as typing the name in an override. Oh, and we also have plenty of things coming, including more components. Live components such as counters or counters and confetti all at once. And our video university with some dope tips and tricks for Webflow, narrated by George Clooney or someone else. You know, since we've started using SystemFlow for our client work, we can't really imagine going back to the old ways. Now, we want SystemFlow to help you in your Webflow projects. Ultimately, we want it to become a bridge between website design and development. Hope you'll join and support our efforts to achieve this goal, but for now, happy flowing.